Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Now, I am a sucker for cute and unique things around my home that serve as conversation pieces, show off a bit of personality, and it's even better if they're useful. And this adorable toothpick dispenser is all of those things. The company offers many unique and useful pieces that just make me smile and make my day a little better. The Bumblebee toothpick dispenser is so well made and durable that I know it's going to last me for years despite my crazy house and the abuse that it will inevitably see. Now, it comes with its own toothpicks, which was a nice perk, but any toothpicks will do. You simply pull apart and load the toothpicks into one side of it and then push it back together. It is very snug, which is nice because then you can shake it to get the toothpicks out and you don't have to worry about the bottom half coming off. This thing is so cute. I keep mine in my fruit bowl as a centerpiece for my dining room table. So if you're looking to dispense your toothpicks in a unique and adorable way, then I think you'll love this adorable toothpick dispenser from Damuzhi. And that's my point of view.